They asked me what is a normal day at the studio, what is looking like. And this is not a normal day, but we don't have any normal days. To be able to What are you guys doing?
We are trying to save the ring.
From what? Because we're upgrading today to a new system that's going to be faster. Dark. Comment les clients t'appellent quand ils parlent en anglais? Ok. You want to see the light painting or the cat? Raise your hand for the light painting. For the cat. I want to show a normal life at the studio, and I know that you're working on the multiple spin, like to be able to do more than one full 360 within the same shot, because I feel like 120 cameras is not enough, so if we can double that, that's 240. So that's your test kit?
Yes, it is. It's only 4 cameras, but it gives a good idea of what it's going to do. It's 120.
What are you doing today?
We're just assembling this rig, and
it's going to fit?
It's really to fit in there.
I guess what you usually share is the fun part. This is what people have access to, but obviously there's a lot of work behind it. There's a whole team and there's a lot of, yeah, hard work. Hard work for hard fun.
Oh, we have to make t-shirts. Hard work for hard fun.